trouble from below. Some disasters rumble, shake, and rip the ground we stand on. Others spew molten lava and rock high in the sky, making huge clouds of ash and melt everything they touch. Earthquakes and volcanoes start underground, but the havoc they wreak happens on the ground where we live. Volcanoes. A powerful volcanic eruption can bury a whole city, and a massive eruption has the power to wipe out humankind. The danger lies deep in the Earth's layers. We build our homes on Earth's crust, the top layer. The crust is made up of pieces that are different shapes and sizes. These large pieces of the crust are called plates. Volcanoes form in the space where the plates meet, just as a weed grows out of a crack in the cement. Hot lava, magma, and gases escape between these cracks to create a volcano. When too much pressure forms, volcanoes erupt, throwing burning lava, dangerous gases, and hot ash into the air. An eruption can cause serious damage to the surrounding areas. Scientists work with governments to warn people and prevent the most serious damage. This diagram shows the inside of a volcano, featuring the crater, the gas and volcanic ash, the main vent, the lava flow, the side vent, the magma chamber, the layers of the Earth's crust, and the mantle. Molten magma. Volcanoes look like ordinary mountains, but they have activity inside them that regular mountains do not. Volcanoes are filled with magma. When a volcano erupts, it spits out pieces of rock and magma. Once the magma comes out of the top, it is called lava. Dig deeper. A maze of magma. Quick! A volcano is erupting, and there's only one way to escape. Take a look at these 3 types of volcanoes described at the bottom of the page. Then, identify the different types of volcanoes to make your way through the maze of magma. Hurry! You don't have much time before the lava reaches you. Cinder cones. These round volcanoes simmer quietly. They release small, hard pieces of lava. Composite volcanoes. These volcanoes are tall and violent. They throw ash, rock, and lava great distances when they erupt. Shield volcanoes. These volcanoes are wide and squat. Lava flows gently from the top. Krakatoa. Boom! Like many islands, Krakatoa was formed from a volcano. 1,000,000 years later, in 1883, the volcano erupted again. The thunderous eruption was heard 2,200 miles away. People were surprised because the volcano had been peaceful for more than 200 years. They didn't think there would be any danger. The powerful blast formed a cloud of ash that blocked the sun for 180 miles. Debris fell over 300,000 square miles. It took 3 years for the dust to settle. 2/3 of the island was destroyed. Volcanic islands. Underwater volcanoes erupt and produce streams of fiery hot lava. The hardened lava forms new islands. The Hawaiian Islands were formed that way. New dimensions. These maps show how the island of Krakatoa changed after the eruption. The shape of the land changed, and the depth of the ocean changed as well. Krakatoa before, Krakatoa after. Mount St. Helens. Volcanoes can be found on continents as well as on islands. The United States is home to Mount St. Helens in Washington State. Just 100 miles south of Seattle, it is still active. In 1980, an earthquake changed the pressure inside Mount St. Helens. That caused the north side to bulge. 2 months later, another earthquake led to an eruption that lasted 9 hours. It threw rocks and ash into the air and caused mudslides. 11 states reported falling volcanic ash. The debris from the explosion destroyed 150 miles of nearby forests. Early warnings helped keep many people safe. Scientists are able to warn of eruptions even earlier now. The force from the blast of Mount St. Helens flattened trees over a 19-mile area. High-volume volcanoes. The noise from an erupting volcano can damage your hearing. When Krakatoa blew its stack, the noise was thunderous. People said anyone within 10 miles was deafened by the sound. Visit Mount St. Helens. Today, Mount St. Helens is a national park. Many people visit the park to see the site of a volcanic disaster. Others are more interested in learning about volcanoes. They want to find out how to predict when other volcanoes will erupt.